Welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning, mom. Today we are directly going ahead with 4 more words, English vocabulary. See that one, first one, recuperate. R-E-C-U-P-E-R-A-T-E. Infringe, I-N-F-R-I-N-G-E. Perilous, P-E-R-I-L-O-U-S. Pervasive, P-E-R-V-A-S-I-V-E. First one, recuperate, bounce back. Synonyms, recover, heal, regain, ameliorate, cure. So actually recover from illness to come back to normal position. So that is what recuperate. Antonyms, deteriorate, decline, worsen. Deteriorate, decline, worsen. Example being given, the patient did not recuperate as fast as the doctor had expected. Try to recuperate your losses once economy is back. Try to recuperate your losses once the economy is back. Clear? So next one, infringe. Infringe means break the terms, break the rule, break the law. Synonyms, violate, breach, breach of contract, break, transgress. Infringe means actively break the terms of law or agreement. So antonyms, obey, comply, follow, abide by, adhere to, stick to. All these are antonyms. Example, they infringed our school regulations. Perilous, full of danger. Perilous, full of danger. Hazardous, synonyms, hazardous, vulnerable, risky, unstable, unsafe, shaky, in jeopardy, jeopardy, that is also a meaning, synonym, Jeopardy, jeopardy, that is also synonym for this one. Antonyms, safe, secure, safe, secure. Example, present economic condition of the world is in a perilous state. Present economic condition of the world is in a perilous state. Pervasive, pervasive, present everywhere, omnipresent, right? So present everywhere. Synonyms, extensive, prevalent, ubiquitous. Ubiquitous, remember this word, ma, very interesting word, right? ubiquitous, 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 present everywhere. And widespread, omnipresent, pandemic, epidemic, endemic, these are all similar words can be related to this one. Antonyms, scarce, limited, scarce, limited. And this pervasive word can be used negatively or positively also. So there is no specification for that one. It is a neutral one. You can use either positively or negatively. See that example, the pervasive spread of virus made everyone anxious. Hope you understand each and every word. We'll just round it up. Recuperate, bounce back, to come back to normalcy. Synonyms, recover, heal, regain, regain, cure. That also you can use. Ameliorate, actually ameliorate, similarity is there. Ameliorate means improve, to make improvement. Antonyms, deteriorate, decline, worsen. Example, the patient did not recuperate as fast as the doctor had expected. Try to recuperate your losses once economy is back. One more example also can be given. Infringe, break the rule, break the terms, break the law. This is against the law. Synonyms, violate, breach, break, transgress. So Transgress, transgress. And antonyms, obey, comply, follow, abide by, adhere to, stick to. Example, they infringed our school regulations. Perilous, full of danger, hazardous, vulnerable, risky, unsafe, shaky, unstable, precarious, uncertain, jeopardy, Jeopardy, jeopardy. Antonyms, safe, secure. Example, present economic condition of the world is in a perilous state. Pervasive, present everywhere. Synonyms, extensive, prevalent, ubiquitous, widespread, pandemic, epidemic, endemic, omnipresent. Antonyms, scarce, limited. Example, the pervasive spread of virus made everyone anxious. I hope everybody is clear today's session, and we will meet again tomorrow.